Hello, I'm Adam Storch, Chief Solutions Officer for MicroStrategies, and today we're going to be demonstrating Panorama for claims. Now, you're probably wondering if you should be watching this video, so here's a couple of questions to help you get to that answer. First, do you need to pull pages from a larger document? Do you need to merge multiple documents into one document? Do you need to redact certain parts of a document on the fly? Do you need to see where a picture was actually taken? Well, if you answered yes to any of these questions, probably makes sense to watch this video. So let's get started. Panorama can be accessed two different ways: as a standalone application, or Panorama can be embedded in an existing application. What you see here is the application for Mostly Safe Insurance, MSI. Now, I'm going to click Claims right here in the upper right-hand corner, and that'll take me to the claims section of this application. Here's a list of claims I have access to. Now let's look at the documents for this claim. Click on the eye. And of course, up pops Panorama with all of the documents for this particular claim. You'll notice that when I click the link, it automatically passed the claim number and of course showed you all the documents for this claim. Now, I can access all the capabilities of Panorama right from here, or if I want more real estate, I can hit View in Panorama. It'll open up Panorama in a separate window. Same application, just gives you more real estate if you've got the ability to open it up in another tab. Now, we want to extract some pages from some of these documents. So let's go up to here. We'll hit Profile. All right, let's open up the side panel here. And we want to grab some pages out of this document. And let's grab this one. Looks like this one's upside down. Let's fix this. So I'll just rotate that one really quick. All right, great. And then why don't we just select, say, number 3, page 3. We'll select page 4 as well. And maybe we'll grab page 7 if we want. And we can also look at grabbing page 8. All right. So I've got 3 through 4 and 7 through 8. I simply go over here and I hit Extract to Box. And I say, OK. And it extracts the pages. Now from here, it's going to save them into Box. If I want, I'll even have the ability to open the documents from here if needed. But really, I just want to extract the pages. So I'm good here. I'll dismiss that. I'm going to go Save and Next, because I want to go to the next file in my result list. And let's grab a few pages from here. Looks like another one's messed up. Let's fix that one too. There we go. All right. And let's grab that one. And what do you say we grab? Because as you can see, you scroll either way. I'm going to grab this document right here. And we'll grab this one right here. So we got pages 2, 6, and 8. So we'll hit Extract again, grabbing these pages out. We'll say OK. And again, you can wait here if you want to go off and access those extracted pages as a separate document. We don't need to because we're going to actually merge these together. So I don't need to do this. I'll just hit Cancel. I'm done here. No need to save any changes. Now, let's come over to our search criteria here. Remember, it passed the claim number automatically. Let's go get those extracted documents. So we'll come down here to Doc Type and we'll choose Extract. And I'll hit Search. And here are those 2 documents that we extracted. So then these are the pages from the documents we extracted. And I want to merge these 2 together. So I'll grab this one and I'll grab this one. We'll come up here and we'll go to Merge Files. Now from here, it's going to merge the files. Now you'll notice when it did the extraction, it automatically assigned the metadata to the extracted pages from the original document. Configurable, but allows you to have the metadata automatically assigned. So we've merged our exciting documents together, and you can see I get a little notification here that tells me they're merged. I've got 2 options. I can go look at it if I want in Box, or I can also now search that document. Now, when you merge files together, it'll only attach the doc type of merge, because when you're merging multiple documents, it doesn't know what metadata from what document you want to assign, right? So you'll select your documents, merge, and we'll just go to show me the merged documents, and I'll hit search. And here is that merged document. I'll go up to here to Profile. Couple of things you will notice right now. Got some red over here. What is that? That means that the metadata or properties for this merged document have not been filled out and are required. All right. So just for the purposes of this, we'll just say Adam, and for a claim number, we'll put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, your configuration will define what is a required field and what are those required fields for our merged document. So as you can see, we've merged our document together. Very exciting. Our brand new document. Now from here, what I want to do is redact some information. So let's go to a page. Let's go to this page right here, and we'll go to redact. All right. And of course, I do want to redact. So I'm going to highlight this block. All right. So you can see I've got this block here, and I'll say, yes, I want to redact it. Because remember, when you redact a particular location, it's gone. Okay. So it's not just putting a black block over the text. It's actually removing that information. So you can full text search it or what have you. So I've now gone off and redacted my file. So I will hit save. I've now saved my redacted file. So let's do a quick search. I am searching for the same file. Based on how you're configured would depend on how one would store the file in terms of the metadata. So I'm just going to choose merged again and hit search. Here's that same exciting file with, of course, one difference. Let's go profile that document, take a look. You'll notice the top says redacted now. So the name of the file is redacted because it is a redacted version of the file. And if I scroll down to that page, there is that redacted piece. So that's how easy it is to find the file, extract pages from a couple of files, merge those extracted pages together into one file, and then, of course, redact the file. One other quick feature I want to show you. Let me close this out. We're going to go back to our original screen, and you'll see all of our exciting pieces, is this idea right here of the picture. What you can do is either view where that picture was taken in Google Maps or in Azure Maps. Really depends on how you're configured, but just like that, you could see where a picture was taken. And depending on the camera, it can even tell you what direction the camera was facing when it took the picture. So it's that easy to find out where pictures were taken as well. So there you have it, your ability to extract, merge, redact, and of course, see where pictures are seen, all from within your existing application. So what did you learn? Well, you'll learn that you can easily pull pages from a document. You can select and merge multiple documents into one document for easy sharing. Creating a redacted document, very simple. And seeing where a picture was taken is just a click away. So what are your next steps? Well, it's time to reach out to MicroStrategies so we can help you like we help our other clients.